Unbelievable deals on new and used cars.
Every day in every way, we are bombarded by ads.
First TV deal.
We think they don't affect us, yet they must. How do I know? Because we all fall for dumb deals. Paying for things we could get free, paying extra for things we could get for less. For example, ever pay to download a book? You probably could have downloaded the copy you already paid for with your tax dollars. It's at your public library, along with lots of other free stuff from DVDs to music. Here's another thing many buck up for that's virtually free: water. If you're concerned about taste or quality, buy a filter and stop pouring money down the drain. Then there's paying for a name. How dumb is it to buck up for a bottle of pain reliever when right next to it sits the identical store brand for dollars less? Better idea? Use generics or store brands, especially for things like over-the-counter meds or baking supplies or cleaning supplies. Just read some labels. If the products are identical, why the heck would you pay more? Dumb deal number 4, paying one bank 20% interest on a credit card while another bank pays you 0.2% interest on your savings. Better idea, if your job's secure and you don't need the cash, use low interest savings to pay off high interest debt. And a final dumb idea, paying for a credit report.
They say a man should always...
Now, isn't that a catchy tune? The problem is, this isn't where you get a free credit report. You can only get that at annualcreditreport.com. It's a site without the jingle. You know, the bottom line of all this is that we might think we don't fall for advertising, but most of us do, and sometimes it leads us into a dumb deal. The less we do that, the richer we are going to be. Now what you need is more dumb deals. Maybe you can even add to the list. Go to MoneyTalksNews.com and just do a search for dumb deals. For Money Talks News, I'm Stacy Johnson. Love saving when you shop? Get the free Money Talks newsletter. It only takes 7 seconds to sign up, and it's full of deals and news you'll really use. Do it now at MoneyTalksNews.com.